Hi, my name is Gauri K.
Hello, my name is Dhritisha.
Hey, my name is Sanskruti Kanmargi.
And today we bring to you our submission for Hack Commerce presented by MLH. Our project is 3D-I-Print and our motto for it is Your Imagination, Our Creation.
So basically, this is our landing page and it consists of home. So home represents what 3D printing stands for and how is the technology growing. Then comes the about page. It shows that why to choose us. What service do we provide that is different from others? Then comes the product page, which includes all the industries and applications of 3D printing. And these are the services that 3D iPrint provides. Then comes the customer review section, which shows the customer's review based on the experience they have got. Then comes the contact page, where you can fill in the information and contact us based on your requirements. Then comes the cart. It consists of drop file here section where you can choose a file that you want to 3D print. And when we get the resources, we 3D print it. Then comes the login and registration page. If you're already a member, you are asked to log in, and if you are not, then you need to register for the same.
What's next for 3D-I print? 3D-I print can be fun and rewarding hobby, but it can also be a bit isolating without a community of other enthusiasts to share this idea and knowledge with. We would love to provide a platform for people to connect, share their designs, and collaborate on projects. This is only our vision for the near future. As this project starts working according to its full potential, we will surely bring more innovative and exciting updates. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank